Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually go about making more money within your web design business. Being a web designer is great. It's a valuable service that businesses need, and it allows you to sell websites for thousands of dollars every single month and eventually end up with a six-figure agency. But if I'm honest with you guys, selling just web design can be a bit of a grind, okay? Think about this. Every single month you're doing your outreach, you're finding a new client, you're signing them up, you're servicing them. And then once the website is done, you are back at square one. You are then having to repeat that process, which can be hard work and time consuming. So how can we actually make money through web design and continue building our revenue every single month? I'm going to tell you. So as a web design business, there's actually loads of other services you can offer to your clients on top of just designing and building and servicing a website. And I'm going to share with you what these are and how I've managed to use them in my agency to start generating thousands of dollars every single month, and that's increasing. But before we do, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification too, and you'll be notified of any of the future releases. And if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. It's really going to help the YouTube algorithm, and it actually helps other people find my content as well. So I would really appreciate that. Now, without further ado, let's have a look at what these additional services are. So the first service that complements web design that you can offer in your agency is search engine optimization. Now, if you're not sure what search engine optimization is, otherwise known as SEO, it's actually the practice of having a website rank high on Google, depending on what the end user is searching for. So essentially this is valuable to businesses because if someone is looking for the services that that business offers, they are going to go to Google. And especially if they are looking for a local service where that business is based, being able to rank high for the services that you offer that your ideal client is searching for is so valuable, and it's going to generate a lot of organic traffic to the business, to their website. Now, offering SEO in my agency is something that's relatively new to me, but already I've seen the value in it. You can charge upwards of £500 every single month, and you can sign people up onto a 6, 9, or even a 12-month contract. Okay, so with this model, not only are you selling a website for thousands of pounds up front, but you're also getting that reoccurring revenue from every single business that you sign up every single month for the entire year. Now, you can easily charge £500 to £1,000 for this service. And imagine if you've signed someone up on a 12-month contract, that web design deal no longer becomes a £1,000 to £3,000 deal. It actually becomes a £12,000 to £15,000 deal for you throughout the entire year. The next additional service that you can offer your clients is Google Ads. Now, Google Ads are great for any business that's wanting to drive quick traffic to their website. Now, you can run this alongside an SEO campaign. The only thing with SEO is it does take a little bit longer. And what you can do is actually use ads to generate that quick traffic until the search engine optimization kicks in and starts generating organic traffic by itself. Google Ads actually works in a similar way to search engine optimization, where the user will search for the services that that business offers, and an advert will be placed right at the top. The business then pays per click every time someone clicks on the advert and drives through to their website. Now, this works great for both e-commerce and service-based businesses, but if you are working on an e-commerce project, then you might want to have a look at Google Shopping Ads. This is when a potential customer will search for a specific product on Google, and you can actually place your client's products at the top of the shopping section every time someone visits that. Now, with that, your client's products are going to get way more exposure than if they weren't using shopping ads. So it's going to have more people finding their products, clicking through to their website and purchasing from them, ultimately making more revenue for that business online. Now, for Google advertisement, you can be charging anywhere from £500 to £1,000 every single month. The next service that you can offer is Facebook advertisement. Now, this works a little bit differently to Google Ads because you're actually putting adverts in front of people at a different stage of their buying journey. You can actually target people and place an advert in front of them based on their interests and their likes. So you can actually use Facebook ads to directly target your ideal customer. Now, again, this is great for creating exposure to your client's website and click-throughs to their website so people can learn more about them. Especially if it's an e-commerce client, you can actually generate a lot more traffic through to individual products and start increasing their online sales by their website. So for Facebook advertisement management, you could be charging anywhere from £500 to £1,000 every single month. Now, the other thing that you can do with social media is social media management. Now, I don't really ever recommend that you offer this as a standalone service. Only really ever offer it as a complementary service to the likes of Facebook advertisement. And the reason for this is social media management is really difficult to track how much money that's made for a business, and therefore it appears a lot less lucrative as a service. Now, the other thing that you can offer is actually weekly or monthly direct email marketing, where your agency will write a sales-based email and send it out to that customer's email list. Again, this is another way to increase the website sales and increase revenue for your client's business. Okay, so they are the services that I recommend that you look into in order to start generating more revenue every single month for your web design agency. Now, you can actually offer other additional monthly services, such as monthly website maintenance. And the reason why I haven't put that in the list is because I consider it much lower ticket. The services that I've just shared with you are high ticket, valuable services that are going to drive traffic, money, revenue into your client's business. And when you can do that, they are more willing to part way with their money and pay you every single month to do so. Clients are not always too pleased to have to part way with monthly money just so you can manage and update their website. But if it's something that's going to generate them more money and sales within their own business, they're going to be more than happy to pay you to help them with that. Offering these services within your business every single month is not only going to help you build revenue within your business each month, but also it's going to give you peace of mind. You're not going to have to stress and worry about when that next website deal is going to come in just so you can make some money. You're going to know that each month money is coming in because you have these retainer-based clients. So there you go. That's how you make more money within your web design business every single month, and you can start building your agency and reaching that six-figure mark. Now, if you found this valuable, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button as well if you haven't done so already. Hit the bell notification and you'll be notified of future releases. Now, there is an end screen coming up with more valuable content, so make sure you stick around and watch it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.